Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the Allure specification. So this car's got a 1 litre PureTech engine that gives you 72 horsepower. Outside of the car you've got keyless entry, alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and a black roof. Inside of the car you've got the touchscreen. Now this features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and 4 Bluetooth connectivity. There's also air conditioning and a colour reversing camera. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.